Hi, I'm Doug.
And I'm Cathy.
And this is Maggie Mae. Join us as we follow the moon. Today, we are staying at the Casper East RV Park in Casper, Wyoming. And we want to take a moment and show you around this park and let you see what a great spot this is to stay.
Come along.
Now, we've just come off of Interstate 25 at exit 186. When you take the exit off to the right, you come up to a traffic light, turn left, and you're almost at the park. This is a map of the sites. The sites are all full hookup, 30 and 50 amp. And I believe there's 60 some sites. It's not a huge park, but it's a very nice size park.
It works.
You come over the bridge, just get in the turn lane, and you'll make kind of a sharp left if you're coming this way. This was coming from the west. If you come from the east, it comes just straight in there. With the toad on the back, it was still no problem getting in. Now there on the left as you come in is their miniature golf course. And I will say, they were working on the windmill just before I shot this.
Yeah.
And they are constantly working on this park. This is their laundry area that's there in the main office building.
It's really nice.
And just ahead of us there is their dump station, and it's put in position so it's ready for you on your way out. And they also have propane. We had our first propane fill done here. Now the first two rows when you come in, these are a little bit more long-term looking spots. They do have daily, weekly, and monthly rates. And I will tell you, we booked this online, and online I only had the option for a daily rate, although we did stay here for a week. And as soon as I came in, the first thing I was told at the counter, now we're going to adjust your total here for you because you're here for a week and you didn't get the weekly rate. They volunteered it, so kudos to them. We appreciate the honesty and the service.
That's right.
In the middle of the park, there is one shower house that services the whole park. And it's done up a little bit differently. They are full bathrooms. So you have toilet, sink, shower, everything behind one door. There are 3 of them that have been completely renovated like this. And there's a 4th one that's open, and it's still very nice, but it's older. It has not been renovated yet.
They also had handicap and a family one.
Yeah, there was one of them that was larger as a family and one that was a handicapped accessible. Now right there in front of us, you'll see their playground.
That was so cute.
Yep, the wagon was really neat. That one there on the left is the private residence. I believe that's the owners of the property. And there's people there on site all the time if you ever need anything.
It looks like a dog at the end there. Or a duck. Take your pick.
Yeah.
The trees are trimmed up very nicely. I don't see anything dragging where you would get caught in it.
No, you still get a nice amount of shade from them, but they're up and away from the RVs.
And
no
mature.
Problem. Now in the back right-hand corner is a dog park. And they have 2 dog parks. This is definitely the smaller one. And she told us right up front, this one isn't as nice as the other one. You'll want to go to the other one.
But it's nice to have extra in case there's a couple of dogs that were a little rowdy that you could go to a second one.
Yeah. Now here at the end of one of their storage buildings, and they do have a storage area there also. They've got a basketball hoop. And as you come back around here by the front corner, you'll see the nicer, bigger dog park. And this was nice. Had a couple of benches, a couple of shade structures.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Maggie liked this one.
It has grass.
Yeah. That's something she hadn't seen for a little while.
That's right.
Now we're going to come back up here by our spot. Almost every site in this park is a pull-through. Grassy area between, they all had nice picnic tables. The black thing you see there is for the water connection so they can insulate it during the winter. Real nice hookups, conveniently located.
Everything was really clean too.
Mm-hmm. Well, Kathy, what did you think about our stay at the Casper East RV Park in Casper, Wyoming?
It has been great. This is a really nice, quiet, well, we get the train, but it's comfortable. It's really, it's been really nice. Yeah.
It has seemed like a quiet stay. There is a railroad line right behind the park. There's Interstate 25 out the other direction, but nothing that's ever woke us up at night or anything that way. It's been a great little place to stay.
And besides, we love trains.
That's right. And most everything that you want to do in Casper is within 10 minutes, and on the outside maybe 25-30 minutes from here, so it's easy to get to anything.
Yes.
With that, if you've enjoyed the video today, leave us a thumbs up. We sure appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, watch for the button at the end of the video up in this corner. Tap that button, you can ring the notification bell, and you'll know when every one of our videos come out.
And thank you for following us as we follow the moon.